Hey everyone, how you doing tonight? So this just a little video here. You might be wondering, are kit guitars really worth it? Is it worth the hassle and the work to put into building your own guitar to make it a nice playable guitar? So I've got 4 guitars here that I built. I'm just going to do a super quick rundown of each one. Let me know what you think. I mean, me personally, I think each one of these guitars that I've built just out of a kit, I've upgraded all of them. Nothing that comes with it from the kit as far as your hardware, your pickups, the pots, everything like that. I've upgraded all that stuff, locking tuners on all of these. So upgrades, yes. Building your own guitar, customizing it, making it the way you want it, is it worth it? I think personally, each one of these guitars I'm going to show you right now will hold its own with the big name brands or better. I mean, I think these are great guitars. Yes, I know how to set them up. Yes, I know how to do all that kind of stuff. Paint, the electronics, it's stuff. Look all over YouTube. You'll find anything you want to learn about it. So here's a few guitars that I've built. Let me know what you think. See if it's worth it to you. If you want to build one, yeah, and just give me your feedback. If you built one, let's see it. Like, subscribe. I want to do more of this type of stuff. I want to build this channel, and I want to build guitars. Eventually, get to where I can build them out of just a raw piece of wood. So, you know, let me know what you think. So, this guitar right here is a beautiful SG style guitar. Yes, it's a bolt-on neck, not a big deal. I stained it, did all the things to it, locking tuners. It has Epiphone Pro Buckers in it with coil splits. I did all the paint, all the finish on it. I can do more detailed stuff on any of this stuff if you want to know it. Here's a quick sound sample on this one. Right now we're running in the bridge position. It's not split. And yeah. Okay, now we're going to split it. Okay, great tone, very nice, middle position. Unsplit. Okay, we'll run it down to the neck. Okay, split it. So right there, that is an extremely versatile guitar. Yeah, it's not quite a Strat when you split it, but in a live mix, it's very passable. Works very well. So I'm just doing clean tones on this. I'm running through an Egnater Rebel 20. I've got a B-Yang tri-reverb pedal hooked up to it. So yeah, I'm going to switch guitars here real quick, show you the next one, and let's go from there.